Hey YouTube, what's up? On this next video, I kind of want to set this up for you. So we have left Destin, Florida, and we are headed to Orlando for Disney World, staying at the Fort Wilderness. On our way, we stopped for the night at a Walmart, and we had set up, I wanted to put the slides out, and there were about probably 4 or 5 other RVs that had set up also at the Walmart. But I saw a spot that had opened up where I could put the slides out and we could get a good night's sleep and then get up early and then head on to Orlando. Well, we had parked the RV. I saw the spot. Went to start the RV again. All it would do was turn over. It would not crank. And I'm like, it's run for 6-7 hours all day long. What could the problem be? Well, this video, you're going to find out. And did we make it to Disney? I don't know. Watch and see. Guys, do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave us a comment. And also, go ahead and ring the bell below. That way you know when our next videos are coming up. Our Christmas video is also coming up as we are entering the holiday season. So join our family as we present to you what Christmas means to us, and we can share that with your family. Thanks again, guys. Please subscribe. We need them. Thank you. Well, we're about 3 hours from Disney, and we actually pulled over at a Walmart, and we're going to spend the night, shut the diesel engine off, and found another place that I was going to pull up into so we could actually put the slides out, and didn't start. I don't know enough about diesel engines. I've got a 300 horsepower Cat engine. It's ran perfect all day. Drove it about probably about six hours today. 7 hours. 7 hours. No issues at all. And like I said, we pulled over and shut the engine off. Went to start the engine, and nothing. It'll turn over, but it won't catch. It won't crank. So I've got a gentleman coming out. I hate to do this. I'd rather fix it myself, but I don't know enough about diesel engines. So we're going to see what he has to say. From what little I know, if it was a car, my very first reaction would be it's fuel pump or fuel filter. And then it would be, if that wasn't the issue, it would be a fuel pump. So here we go. We're going to find out. Join us on this adventure. So we got a repair guy. Ricky came out. And for the life of me, and I'll find out, I don't remember the name of the emergency diesel, but we'll find out that name. We'll leave it down in the description. But Ricky came out. He believes, and the same thing as I do with my very limited knowledge on diesel engines, that it's a fuel filter problem. They took the fuel filter off. Looked like it had some clean diesel at the top of it, but down into the filter itself, it was just a lot of black and muck. So he has gone to get a fuel filter. Said he can get one tonight, and he's going to bring that one back. And we hope that that's what that is. You know, I don't want to sound like we pulled the good Lord off the shelf and rubbed his head like you would a troll doll, but we did say a prayer. I asked the Lord to send us an angel, and I hope that's what Ricky is, and I hope this is what our problem is, and we're on our way in the morning to Disney. But you'll find that out very quickly. Because if it's not our problem, then I'll come back on and let you know. Well, guys, I don't know if you can hear from the background. We have a diesel engine that's running. Ricky came out. He diagnosed it as a fuel filter. Like I said before, I'm dumb, and I know nothing about diesels, but I drive one. but Ricky got it up and running, and we appreciate it. It's A&W 24-hour mobile repair. I'm going to leave the description down below. Guys, if you're in the Lake City area, you have issues or problems with your diesel engine or your diesel RV, or you know what, you just want to have a good old chat with Ricky, give him a call. I'll leave the number down there. This guy is a great guy. I told you before, I prayed for an angel. He sent me Ricky. I don't know. Ricky doesn't want to be on camera, so I won't put him on. But guys, please, if you've got an issue and you're in the Lake City area, please give him a call. This guy's, he's a godsend. Ricky, we appreciate it. Thank you.